Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Online. This is a video on SSC CGL previous year question papers. Previous year question papers. हम लोग यहाँ पर क्या करते हैं on daily basis? We discuss quick 5 to 10 questions from previous year on SSC CGL, where we'll be having forward और काफी forward और backward linkages देखते हैं और options में जो भी आते हैं उनको भी हम लोग in detail discuss कर लेते हैं ताकि it is not about the 5 questions that we solve, but more than that. Yes, this video is also useful for any other competitive exam. अब अगर SSC के लिए तो सिर्फ SSC के लिए ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Now the questions have been already posted in your Telegram channel. Telegram channel में पहले आपको questions दिए जाते हैं, उसके बाद में आपको ये analysis दिया जाता है. So guys, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, please find the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. Let's get started with the class. इन द प्रीवियस सेशन पिछले सेशन में हमने काफी क्वेश्चंस देखे हैं यहाँ पे, जैसे कि ये ऊपर वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ चालुक्य डायनेस्टी. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल ऑफ व्हाट वी हैव डन. Answer, not only just the answer, discussing the answer here as Pulakeshini, not just the answer, but we also looked into how Pulakeshini is related to Kirtivarman and how is Kirtivarman related to Pulakeshini and the importance of Pulakeshini. And then we also looked into Pallava dynasty. Pallava dynasty was founded by whom? The son of Simha Vishnu was whom? Mahendravarman I. And then Mahendravarman's one son was Narasimhavarman. They were all belonging to which religion? Shaiva age. Like this. And also different capitals and their in detail discussion about the options. सब कुछ किया था हमने. वैसे ही हम similar fashion में continue करेंगे. Guys, stay connected. Which of the following articles of the Constitution of India deals with uniform civil code? Which of the following article deals with uniform civil code? Article 43, Article 44, 45, 46. The answer here is Article 44. Article 44 talks about uniform civil code. Uniform civil code. It is in the part 4 of the Indian Constitution. Part 4 of the Indian Constitution. What does this signify? क्या बोलता क्या है? Uniform Civil Code talks about treating all the citizens of India equally, irrespective of their religion. Irrespective of their religion. Like, let's take an example of intercaste marriages. When we have to have intercaste marriages, तो उसमें Special Marriage Act आ जाता है. Yes, or there are different laws for Hindu Marriage Act है. ऐसे different laws है different religions के लिए applicable. So to remove that and place uniform civil code would bring in more harmony and more equality in the eyes of law. That is what it is all about. Uniform Civil Code. It is a part of DPSP. It is a part of Directive Principles of State Policy. Yes. Now here we have Article 43. Article 43 talks about. Article 43 talks about. It is a Gandhian principle. It is a Gandhian principle. And it talks about cottage industries and rural areas. Cottage industries and rural areas. And minimum living wages. Minimum wages और living wages के बारे में बात करता है. Now, Article 45. Article 45 talks for compulsory education. Compulsory education for children below the age of 6 years. Now, another question can be asked here. Now, one thing that we have got to know that Article 45 talks about compulsory education for children below the age of 6 years. But if tomorrow a question is asked, from which Amendment Act was Article 45 added? Article 45 added. The state shall endeavor to provide early childhood care and education for all the children until they complete the age of 6 years. This was added in Article 45 by the 86th Amendment Act. 86th Amendment Act 2002. Yes. The next article that we have here is Article 46. Article 46 talks about the same privileges, that is education and economic interest to protect economic interest and promotion of education. कौन सा article है? Article 46. Education in weaker sections. Weaker sections मतलब SCs, STs. Yes. This is all about that we have here. Now, you must also look into what was importantly added in DPSP in 42nd Amendment Act. 42nd Amendment Act was done in the year 1976. Important addition to the DPSP by 42nd Amendment Act were equal opportunity for justice and free legal aid. Equal opportunity for justice and free legal aid. Next, to protect the environment, वो भी ऐड किया गया था. Rights of workers to participate in management of industries, ये भी ऐड किया गया था. यहाँ पर 42nd amendment पे एक important वाला मैंने यहाँ पर डिस्कस किया है. Now, let's move to the next question that we have. What are the next questions? Okay. Scrolling just too far. Where are we? Yeah. The Special Olympics World Games 2019 was inaugurated at, again 2019 का पेपर था, तो उसमें 2019 का current affairs होगा. The answer here is Abu Dhabi. But after this pandemic has started, you cannot expect a question like this where it will talk about upcoming venues for inauguration or any of the major sports events. Okay. Now, the Special Olympics World Games 2021 was supposed to be held in Washington, D.C., which has been postponed. But in 2022, it is supposed to be held in Russia, which God knows might happen or not. If the pandemic and its effects get reduced, then we might expect Special Olympics, or else it will again remain moot. Okay. Which of the following is the first working prototype of internet? Okay. First working type of internet is ARPANET. And what does it say? Abbreviation for ARPANET is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. It was developed in the year 1967 by US, under the aid of US, by ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency. First, initially in the test run, there were 4 universities that were connected using ARPANET, which formed the base for whatever we call today we have as internet. Okay. Which of the following is not one of the monarchical states that existed in the 7th and the 6th century BC in India? Magadha, Vaishali, Avanti, Kosala. The answer here is Vaishali. Yes. First thing that we need to understand here is what are Mahajanapadas? Vaishali is the answer here, but let's try to understand it in a better way. And if any other question is also posed, we should be able to answer it. What are Mahajanapadas? Mahajanapadas are amalgamation of large rural rural and urban areas. It was an amalgamation. काफी छोटे 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 जो भी विलेजेस रहते थे या फिर अर्बन एरियाज रहते थे उन सबको ज्वाइंट करके एक महाजनपद बनाया जाता था. कितने महाजनपदास थे? There were how many महाजनपदास in 17th 16th century? There were prominently known 16 mahajanapadas. How many were there? 16 mahajanapadas. Vaishali belonged to which mahajanapada? It belonged to Vajjain. वज्जैन कॉन्फेडरेसी भी बोल सकते हैं या फिर महाजनपदा भी बोल सकते हैं. कॉन्फेडरेसी या फिर महाजनपदा. ओके. Vaishali is one of the first examples of republican form. यहाँ पे monarchical state पूछा गया. Monarchical मतलब क्या होता है? Ruled by a king. Republican मतलब there is democracy. First example of republic. Which was it? Vaishali. It belonged to Vaishali belonged to which Mahajanapada? Vajjain Mahajanapada, and it was first example of a republic in 6th century. Today, where is Vaishali today? Today, Vaishali is in the state of Bihar. Today's Bihar is known as Vaishali. Yes. Let us have a few examples upon monarchical and republics. In monarchical and republics in are these 16 Mahajanapadas that I mentioned here. Monarchical examples are Magadha. Tomorrow, if there is a question asked if Magadha is a monarchical or republic and options are there, you must be able to answer. Kosala, Vatsa. What about republics? Malla, Vajji, Kamboja, and Kuru. These were republics and these were monarchs. Just remember, try to memorize as many of them as possible, because SSC is particularly obsessed about Mahajanapadas and monarchical states, and particularly dynasties like Chalukya, Pallavas. So guys, be careful with these particular dynasties. Okay. The next question that we have here is name the state Chandragupta I got in dowry from Lichavi. Ujjain, Patliputra, Pragya, Saketa. The answer here is Patliputra. Chandragupta I, we have discussed it before in detail. Please watch our previous videos if you want what was done. Yes. Chandragupta I got married to a Lichavi princess called Kumari Devi and got in dowry a state called Patliputra. Guys, these are the quick 5 questions. That is the daily dose of GK questions for you guys while you're preparing for other major subjects. Please do not ignore GK and general awareness and static GK. So whenever you just find time, just have a quick review on our videos, which are very much helpful in answering many of the questions that are appearing in the examinations. Well, guys, I appreciate your time and patience. Hope to see you soon. Till then, take care. Thank you.